Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about how we can get a free Thanksgiving dinner from Walmart with Ibotta. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so, and while you're at it, go ahead and do me a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright, so let's go ahead and talk about this free Thanksgiving dinner. Now, I'm sure that some of you all will remember this deal from last year, and Ibotta actually started giving away free Thanksgiving dinners back in 2020. So I'm sure a few of y'all have snagged up this deal before, but it is back again for 2022. I was actually just talking to a couponing buddy of mine about this yesterday, and she had never even heard of it, and I was like, what? Where have you been, girl? So I did a little bit of digging today, and I found a news article, and the Ibotta Walmart free Thanksgiving dinners are back again for 2022. Now, as of today, I have not received any of the free Thanksgiving offers on my account yet, but I wanted to go ahead and let you all know that they are coming according to this article that I found, so you guys definitely need to be on the lookout for it, and I wanted to go ahead and make this video and get you all prepared. Now, I do want to go ahead and give you all a little heads up that in the past, when we've had this deal pop up, it does seem like it takes it a couple of weeks to roll out to all of the accounts. So, once this deal pops up, you may have a friend or a family member who receives it first before you. Just be patient, keep checking your Ibotta account, and once those rebates hit, go ahead and add those to your account ASAP. So let's go ahead and take a quick look at the article that I found, and y'all make sure that you stick around until the end for a couple of Ibotta tips and tricks. Now, I found this article on CNBC's website, so I'm going to have the full article linked in the pinned comment down below if you guys want to go and check it out. But it says, Ibotta's 100% cashback offer can get you a free Thanksgiving dinner on eligible food at Walmart. Ibotta is offering a stellar 100% cashback on 9 Thanksgiving dinner items at Walmart. Here's how to get this offer before time runs out, and this article was updated September the 20th, 2022. The article continues, if you're gearing up for Thanksgiving grocery shopping, Ibotta is running a stellar promotion that can get you a free Thanksgiving dinner. Get 100% cash back on 10 food items like turkey and gravy when you shop at Walmart now through November 24th while supplies last. So, obviously, there's a little discrepancy there. We don't know if it's going to be 9 free food items or 10 free food items, but of course, once those offers pop up on our accounts, we will know for sure. So the article continues on. According to Ibotta's website, the eligible items have been selected to feed a family of 5, though your needs may vary. Thankfully, Ibotta has tons of other offers on Thanksgiving essentials that you can take advantage of. The article continues on. In order to get a free Thanksgiving meal for your family, you'll need to add the eligible offers to your Ibotta account before you shop. And if you already went grocery shopping, or if you simply prefer to purchase different items, you can always redeem these offers now and donate them to a family in need of holiday cheer. Now, here's a list of the items according to this article that will be included. It says, if you want to earn 100% cash back on your Turkey Day dinner, here are the items you'll need to purchase. Again, we need to wait until those offers pop up on our Ibotta accounts and add those to our account first before we run out and purchase these items. But let's go ahead and take a look at this list, and it does look very similar to the items that we received last year with our free Thanksgiving dinner. So number 1 is a frozen whole turkey. Now it does have to be on select brands. They will give you a couple of options with that rebate, so make sure that y'all read the details when that pops up. And it has to be a minimum weight of 3 pounds, and you will get up to $15 in cash back. Now, number 2 is a can of Campbell's Cream of Mushroom Soup. Number 3 is a 2-liter of Coca-Cola. Number 4 is the Idahoan family-sized mashed potatoes. Number 5 is the Bird's Eye frozen vegetables. And I do believe, if my memory serves me right, on the mashed potatoes and the frozen vegetables, they did give us a couple of options to choose from. Alright, moving right along, number 6 is the McCormick gravy packet, and last year I believe they gave us the options of turkey or brown gravy. Number 7 is the Jiffy corn muffin mix. Number 8 is the Great Value cranberry jelly. Number 9 is the Great Value flavored stuffing mix, and again we had a couple of options. I believe it was chicken or turkey or cornbread. Then number 10 is the Great Value French fried onions. Now, the article goes on to say that the maximum value of this offer is $26.99. Remember that supplies are limited and that you'll need to activate the offer prior to shopping. Now, I have a couple of things I want to say about this. Number one is the max value of this offer. I have a feeling that that number will probably change and increase just simply because we have seen so many price increases on our grocery items over the past few months. Now, also, it is very important to remember that supplies are limited. So once you see those Ibotta Thanksgiving offers pop up on your account, you need to go ahead and add them to your account and get to the store ASAP. Please do not wait around for a few weeks and expect those offers to still be there, because Ibotta will put out a limited number of those rebates, and then once everybody starts getting out and redeeming those rebates, some of those offers will slowly start to disappear and they won't be available to redeem for your cashback any longer, even if you have them clipped to your account. Now, I don't mean that you guys have to rush out the second that those offers pop up on your Ibotta account to take advantage of this deal. That's not what I'm saying. You definitely have a week and a half, maybe even 2 weeks to go out and redeem these offers. I just want to go ahead and give you all a heads up. That way you'll know, hey, those offers are on my Ibotta account. I need to get to the store within the next couple of days. That way I can definitely get in on these deals. So, getting back to our article, it continues on and says how to earn the free Thanksgiving dinner offer. Number one is you need to download Ibotta. You can get the app on your phone or the browser extension on your computer. Number two is to add the offers. Add the free Thanksgiving dinner offers to your Ibotta account. Again, I have not received them on my Ibotta account yet. As soon as they do pop up, though, you guys will be the first to know. And I'm thinking that Ibotta is probably waiting until we get done with Halloween to start rolling out those Thanksgiving offers. So again, just be on the lookout in the next couple of weeks, and I will for sure be making a post about it in the community tab once those offers hit my account. Now, number three, you need to shop and earn. Shop at Walmart in-store with the Ibotta app, or you can link your Walmart pickup and delivery account to shop online with the browser extension. Now, for those of you who are not already signed up with Ibotta, I don't know what you're waiting on. You need to go and do that ASAP so that y'all can get in on this free Thanksgiving dinner. And if you use my referral code, which is on the screen here as well as down in the description box below, it is XSTUBWF. If you use that referral code, you're going to receive an extra $10 welcome bonus. So y'all definitely need to go and sign up if you haven't already. That way you can get in on this free Thanksgiving dinner. And just to go ahead and let you in on a little secret, I have literally saved thousands of dollars just by using this one rebate app. So it is definitely worth signing up for and checking out. Now, if a Thanksgiving dinner and a $10 welcome bonus isn't enough to convince you all that you need to go ahead and sign up for Ibotta, just go ahead and take a look at my Thanksgiving haul from last year. Now, this is a picture of mine and my best friend's Thanksgiving dinner haul. So not only did we run out to Walmart and we picked up all of our Thanksgiving Day freebies, we also picked up some more Ibotta rebates while we were there. And take a look at some of these items. We have finished dishwasher tablets, Energizer batteries, some yogurts, some energy drinks. I mean, we were set for Thanksgiving dinner. Now, would you guys believe that our final price for all of those items that you see in that picture was just $13 and some change? And here's a quick Ibotta tip for you all. If you want to pair up your free Thanksgiving offers with a midweek bonus or a weekend warrior bonus, you're pretty much getting paid to go and pick up your free Thanksgiving dinner at Walmart. So you got a free Thanksgiving dinner, you got a $10 welcome bonus, pair that up with a midweek or a weekend bonus, and man, how much better can it get? Alright guys, so there you have it for the details of our free Thanksgiving dinner from Walmart and Ibotta. Now, of course, if I have any updates or any new information becomes available, I will leave it in the pinned comment down below this video, as well as make a post about it in the community tab. Now, while we're waiting on those Thanksgiving offers to pop up on our Ibotta accounts, make sure that you go back and check out my Walmart Ibotta haul from this week that turned out to be a $4 moneymaker. There are tons of quick and easy deals in that video, beginner friendly, no coupons needed. So I'm going to have that video linked in the pinned comment down below for y'all. And of course, if you're looking for even more deals, make sure that you go back and check out my previous videos. We have amazing deals going on at DG and Walgreens as well this week. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and before you go, if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so, and while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.